In less than 2 minutes, you're going to learn everything that you need to know about volume profiles to take your chart analysis to the next level. Let's go. Have you ever wondered where the real trading activity is happening on that section of the chart that you're looking at? That's what volume profiles are for. Unlike traditional volume bars that you see on the bottom of your screen, which show volume over time, volume profiles are on the side of the chart and show you the volume at specific levels. Now tell me if this looks familiar to you. Have you ever been stuck in a trade and prices just consolidating nonstop all day long? This right here is Euro USD on the 5-minute time frame today. No clear price action, so how would you trade something like this? But how do you know that the price is going to consolidate all day? Your first indication is a double bottom or a double top, which we got right here, and then again right there. In order to find the volume profiles, you need to look in the indicators tab and search up volume. I like this one by KB4 Coins. Add it to your chart and you'll see something like this. So on a volume profile, there are certain things that you need to look out for. 3 in particular. There is the VAH and the VAL, as well as the POC. The VAH is the value area high, the VAL is the value area low, and the POC is the point of control. All 3 are very important when looking at the volume profile. Now, when price is consolidating like this, you want to focus on reactions from the point of control. That's where price is most balanced. What I like to do around consolidation areas is draw a Gann box with a shaded upper and lower area, basically longs here and shorts here. And your target price, the most important, the point of control. And what's cool about this example is we're getting a breakout to the upside right now after a whole day of consolidation. Now, if the subsequent candle doesn't go back into the range, we are good to go for longs. All you got to do is jump it up to a higher time frame, like the 1 hour, zoom out, and you'll see a larger range of price. We are now clearly trading above the major point of control, and all you got to do is look for these large spikes in volumes. Now, if you're swing trading and you see a large rejection and you have a short bias, you want to zoom out way bigger, like to the daily time frame, and look for the point of control. That is going to be your price target because that is where price wants to be. That is where it was most balanced. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to see the full feature-length film of everything you need to know about volume profiles, check out this video right here.